Khosi ubona kanjani umdlalo?
Ya mfethu, yasidlalile. Yabona first half ngiyabona istyle abasidlalayo manje sebanokha ibhola. Yabo, balidlala balibuyisa emva banokhe. And kunalwa kunespice esishodayo. Yabona angazi ku-black soda khona. Kuze sibambe lwamgqiqo kuswina. Otherwise kona ukudlala sesiyadlala and ne backline yethu iya pick up. The substitute uChislet uthanda ukuwa kakhulu yabo angimazi noma mhlambe because bokumanzi yabo and kufanele antwana le uVelebhayi angarani kakhulu yabo because unalo kurana kakhulu agcina seluza ibhola rana uget space ufakela amajita yabo otherwise ama guys adlalile if singaqhubeka ngale ndlela abenza ngayo I'm telling you ku Sundowns ku Pirates and remember ngo-21 they are using calculators Pirates nathi sisebenzisa calculator.
Yes.
Yeah, we are chasing for number 2. Yeah, if they are using calculator nathi we are using calculator, we are chasing number 2 and bona ke if bangaluza one game and 2 abadraw 2 sesiyalingana ngilose siyalingana ngama draws and we are chasing, I'm telling you, we are chasing for number 2.
Okay, ujabulile ngokubuya ka Brandon Peterson?
Obvious bengikhathazekile vele akwazi fact esidlala ku derby azange ngibe right nje total azange ngibe right ngifuna ukuqamba manga yabona manje usebuyile ngoku at least i-defender yethu uzokwazi ukuthi abelene be solid. Mina ngifuna bla sithi siye kwa 26 siye se solid because la game yanga 26 iyona game enzima awu2 ama game anzima ukuthi yabo ile yanga 26 nanga 6 yabo and futhi makaza saya strong lapha I'm telling you bra and abafana bangadlala ngale ndlela abadlala ngayo njengamanje babheka and abona nje manje sebeyabonana ngosebe yabo wasilapha esuswini uNgcobo noMabuya they are doing something there, even nibonile nomthetho mayingena wenze something wakwazi ukuthi abambe lesasiso even yale goal lesibili ngale lepho lisuke phaka lamjito yabo into engifuna siyenzeke sama supporters ngoku asupportena amajita ngo.
Yes.
Siyeke lento manje criticize ubani wathintini asupportena amajita ngo and we are chasing for number 2, I'm telling you.
Alright, siyabulela baka Khosi.
Thank you.